Quick explanation of the topic, income received in advance. What is income received in advance? Sometimes, earned revenue that belongs to a future accounting period is received in the current accounting period. Such income is considered income received in advance. It is also known as unearned revenue, unearned income, income received but not received, because it is received before the related benefits are actually provided. Let us explain this with the help of an example. Imagine your business owns an investment for which you receive $50,000 as interest income every year. The interest for the next year has been received early, within this year. This is income received in advance for your business. It is treated as a current liability. Most common examples of interest received in advance: payments received for magazine subscriptions, software licenses, or membership fees before the service period. Rent collected in advance from tenants before the rental period begins. Insurance premiums, payments received from policyholders before the coverage period. Gift cards, revenue received from sale of gift cards that haven't been redeemed yet.